For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars, yearning to answer the age-old question: are we truly alone in the universe? Our search for life beyond Earth has inspired countless books, movies, and theories. We've sent probes into space, broadcasted radio signals hoping for a response, and studied nearby planets and moons, all in the hope of finding signs of extraterrestrial life. But what if alien life is not far away at all? What if it's closer than we think? The truth is, the possibility of extraterrestrial life is more than just a distant dream. Growing evidence suggests that alien life may be hiding in places we never thought to look. It could be in the moons of our solar system, the exoplanets orbiting distant stars, or even in signals from deep space that we've yet to fully comprehend. What if we've already encountered signs of alien life, but we're simply not able to recognize them for what they are? The search for life beyond Earth is more thrilling and more promising than ever before. The search for life in our solar system. Let's start by looking at our immediate neighbors. Our solar system is filled with moons and planets that could harbor life or have once supported it. Some of the most promising places to search for life are the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, which are thought to possess vast underground oceans. These moons may have the right conditions for life to exist in places that seem too hostile on the surface. One of the most intriguing moons in this regard is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Beneath its icy shell, Europa is believed to have a liquid ocean that could contain the ingredients necessary for life. The ocean is kept warm by tidal forces caused by the gravitational pull of Jupiter, creating a subsurface environment that could support microbial life. Scientists believe that Europa's ocean is in contact with the moon's rocky mantle, creating the potential for underwater hydrothermal vents, similar to those found on Earth, that harbor life in complete darkness. Europa's water could also be rich in the chemicals needed for life to survive. If these conditions exist, it would be the perfect environment for alien microbes to thrive. Europa's ocean has long been a subject of interest to scientists, but new research continues to reveal more about its potential for supporting life. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in the 2020s, will explore this moon in unprecedented detail. The spacecraft will conduct flybys of Europa, analyzing its surface and measuring the composition of its water plumes. The mission could unlock secrets about Europa's ocean that have been hidden beneath its icy shell for billions of years. The Fermi Paradox. Why haven't we found alien life yet? One of the most enduring mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial life is the Fermi Paradox. Named after the famous physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox presents a perplexing question. If there are so many potentially habitable planets in the universe, why haven't we found any signs of alien civilizations? Given the vastness of the universe and the high probability of intelligent life existing elsewhere, this question continues to baffle scientists. The Fermi Paradox asks why, in a galaxy filled with billions of stars and planets, we have yet to make contact with any alien civilization. If intelligent life is common, why is there no definitive proof? The absence of signals or direct evidence of extraterrestrial life, despite the overwhelming probability of it, has led to many possible explanations, each more fascinating than the last. Some scientists suggest that extraterrestrial civilizations are simply too far away for us to detect them. The distances involved are so vast that even signals sent at the speed of light will take thousands of years to reach us, making communication with alien civilizations a slow and improbable process. Others believe that advanced civilizations technology and biology, existing in ways we can't even recognize or comprehend. Their signals or actions might be outside the scope of our detection methods. Another theory, called the Zoo hypothesis, suggests that alien civilizations are aware of our existence but intentionally avoid making contact. This idea posits that extraterrestrial life could view humanity as too primitive or dangerous, choosing to observe us from a distance without interfering with our natural development. Could we already be under the watchful eye of extraterrestrial civilizations, unknowingly being studied just as we study other species in our world? But what if the Fermi paradox is a result of a more sinister reality? What if intelligent civilizations don't survive long enough to become detectable? The Great Filter theory proposes that civilizations inevitably destroy themselves before they can reach a stage where interstellar communication or travel is possible. The notion that we might be alone in our cosmic neighborhood because other civilizations have self-destructed could be a sobering thought for humanity as we continue to face existential threats on our planet. Life on Mars, a new frontier in the search for alien life. While the search for alien life extends beyond our solar system, one of the most immediate and exciting places to look is Mars. For years, scientists have been studying the red planet, looking for signs that it may have once harbored life. Mars has long been considered one of the most promising places to search for life, due to evidence that it once had liquid water on its surface, as well as the discovery of organic molecules in its soil. NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in 2021, is equipped with advanced instruments designed to search for signs of ancient life. The rover is exploring the Jezero crater, a location that scientists believe may have once contained a lake. The area is filled with minerals and clay that may have once interacted with water, potentially preserving evidence of microbial life. Perseverance is also collecting soil samples to be returned to Earth for further analysis, with the hope of finding signs of past life or understanding the planet's ancient environment. Mars also has seasonal methane plumes that fluctuate over time, hinting at potential microbial life beneath the surface. The presence of methane could be a key sign of life, as on Earth, much of the methane in the atmosphere is produced by living organisms. However, methane can also be produced by geological processes, making its origin on Mars uncertain. The question remains, could methane on Mars be a sign of life, or is it just a result of unknown chemical reactions? Beyond Mars, scientists are looking to other celestial bodies in our solar system for signs of life. Moons like Europa, Enceladus, and Titan have the potential to harbor microbial life deep beneath their icy surfaces. Europa, in particular, is a prime candidate. With its vast ocean of liquid water beneath a thick layer of ice, which might be home to life forms we can't yet imagine. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. While much of the search for alien life has focused on microbial organisms and environmental conditions, another aspect of the search is dedicated to finding evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations. This field of study is known as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI. For decades, scientists have been listening for signals from distant civilizations, hoping to detect communication or broadcasts from advanced alien species. SETI has used a variety of techniques to detect alien signals, most notably by scanning the sky for radio waves. Radio signals are an ideal medium for interstellar communication because they can travel vast distances through space. However, while many efforts have been made to detect alien signals, we have yet to find anything definitive. One of the most famous incidents in the search for alien signals occurred in 1977, when a researcher at the Ohio State University Radio Observatory detected a powerful, unexplained radio signal. The signal, known as the WOW signal, came from the constellation Sagittarius and lasted for 72 seconds. Despite numerous attempts to detect the signal again, it has never been repeated, and its origin remains a mystery. Some believe the WOW signal was an alien transmission, while others argue that it was a natural event we don't yet understand. More recently, scientists have discovered fast radio bursts, FRBs, brief, powerful bursts of radio waves coming from distant galaxies. The source of these bursts is still unknown, but they have sparked speculation that they could be signals from extraterrestrial civilizations, possibly even intentionally transmitted across vast distances. While most FRBs have natural explanations, such as neutron stars or black holes, their sudden and intense bursts of energy make them an intriguing area of study in the search for alien intelligence, the future of alien life discovery. As technology advances, the search for alien life continues to progress. One of the most exciting upcoming missions is the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, which reveals exoplanets in unprecedented detail. This will allow scientists to search for chemical signatures that could indicate the presence of life, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide. In addition to space telescopes, missions to other planets and moons will continue to play a crucial role in the search for life. NASA's planned missions to Europa, Titan, and Enceladus are poised to investigate these moons further, looking for signs of liquid water, organic molecules, and other evidence of life. The data from these missions could offer some of the most direct evidence of extraterrestrial life we've ever had. But the discovery of alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, will not come easily. It will require advancements in technology, greater international collaboration, and a willingness to think outside the box. Whether life exists in the deep oceans of Europa or on a distant exoplanet orbiting a star far from our own, the possibilities are endless. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we may just be on the cusp of discovering that we are not alone in the universe. Are we ready for the truth? The discovery of alien life would undoubtedly be one of the most transformative events in human history. It would challenge everything we thought we knew about biology, philosophy, and our place in the cosmos. But as we continue to explore the universe and search for extraterrestrial life, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the truth? The discovery of alien life could fundamentally change our understanding of life itself. It could open up new frontiers for science, technology, and exploration. And it could lead to an era of unprecedented collaboration between nations and civilizations. On the other hand, it could raise profound questions about humanity's role in the universe and the ethics of interacting with alien life forms. As the search for life beyond Earth continues, we are left with a tantalizing question. What will we find next? Will we discover signs of alien life in the places we least expect? Or will we continue to search the stars for a glimpse of something truly extraordinary? The truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered, and the journey to find it is only just beginning.